Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to share a page link on Instagram. This is a handy skill that allows you to connect with friends by sharing interesting profiles or pages you come across. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in to access your feed and features. Step 2. Once you're in the app, scroll through your feed or use the search bar to find the desired page you want to share. Tap on the page to open it. Step 3. Now that you're on the profile page, look for the 3 dots located at the top right corner. Tapping these dots will open a menu with several options. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Share this profile. This option will allow you to share the page link directly. Step 5. After selecting this option, you can now share the page link using Messenger or any other apps installed on your device. Simply choose your preferred app, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully shared a page link on Instagram. Whether you want to show someone a cool account or highlight a friend's profile, this method makes it easy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.